Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in joining Google Classroom using an iPad. On your iPad, click on the Google Classroom icon. When you are in your Google Classroom page, you can find the Google Classrooms that you have already joined in. To join a new classroom, click the plus button, then click Join Class. You will be asked to enter the class code. When your teacher gives you the class code, you enter the class code where it says class code. As you enter the class code, the Join button becomes active. Click the Join button and you will be directed to your new class. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.